Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your ZTE Axon 20 louder. So, at the start you have to open the Play Store, then look for the volume app. We are looking for the volume booster. I'm always using this one. So download it and open. Click OK. And that's it. Now the tool is active. If you want to use the volume booster to your needs, just open the app from the notification or the background apps and slide this slider to the right. How you can see the 16 is max. Just add your turn needs. If you go back to the home screen, the tool is still active. If you want to turn it off, just choose stop service, click OK, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.